Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will learn that how we can create our YouTube channel and what things we YouTube require to create a YouTube channel. So I will discuss all those things and how you can professionally create your YouTube channel, how you can get your desired handle. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're looking to create your own YouTube channel, the thing you need is your Gmail ID. So to create your own Gmail ID, you have to go to your browser and search for Gmail sign up, and after that you have to sign up for create your Gmail account. I already created a Gmail account, so that's why I cannot create another one. I have to set up another account and add my numbers and all the detailed stuff. So but I think so that you all can create your Gmail account, and it's really super easy. You just have to click over there and just follow all the instructions and put your personal information what Gmail required from you. So when you create your Gmail account, it will look and you open your Google Chrome browser, it will look like this, but not all these bookmarks and all these stuff because I just created all these to for my easiness. So the second thing you have to do is you have to search for the YouTube. And when you search for YouTube, you have to click on the first link, which is youtube.com. And after that, so here's my video. Okay, so after that, you can click on that icon, which you can see on the right side of your browser. You just have to click over there. And after that, you have to click on that YouTube Studio button. When you click on that, y- this dialog box will appear in front of you. You have to set your name over there, like what you want, what name you want for your channel. Like it's Hamad Gaming Channel, for example. It's just like Hamad Gaming Channel, or maybe just Hamad Habib. So that will be the name. And handle recently get this update, get this feature, like you can also set your handles just like Instagram. So my Instagram handle is freelance with Hamad. In the same scenario, you can also set your uh, YouTube handle. Before that, I think so we need 100 subscribers to set our handle, but recently YouTube introduced this feature and enable this feature for everyone who is setting up his or her YouTube channel. So you can also set your handle over there. So let's suppose I think so this will be not Hamatabib is not available because I already took this username. So when you search for YouTube youtube.com/@ Hamad Habib. So this Hamad Habib after the at the rate, this is the handle, and here you can see that this is my YouTube channel. So you have to set a proper handle for your YouTube channel. It's not just like Hamad Habib um 001 or some sort of that, but maybe sometime you have to set that sort of handles because it really difficult for you to get the desired handle. So you have to be very professional in choosing your handle because it not look so good while giving someone your YouTube channel. For example, you got 1 million subscribers on your channel and your YouTube handle name is uh, Hamad Habib 007, so or Hamad Habib 302. So it seems like that he's some sort of gangster or mafia. So you have to be very careful while choosing your handle. And after that, you have to click on create channel. And another thing, you can also set your picture over there. Just click on select picture and upload picture. That picture or logo will be appear over there. So after that, you have to click on create channel and your channel will be created.